crotch sniffing. Shh, no one wants to talk about this, but we're going to talk about it anyway. Crotch sniffing. Dogs like to sniff each other's bottoms, but it's different when they nose up to someone's crotch. It's not bad manners. As a matter of fact, according to your dog, it's good. Dogs can get a lot of information about other dogs by sniffing around down there, and they probably get the same info by sniffing people too. If your dog's nosiness bothers you or the people they sniff, some good obedience training may help. It's kind of like Google for your dogs, or your dog's just surfing the web. By sniffing other dogs, it tells them about their hormones, about what type of food is in the area, can even tell them about their mood. So that's why very often when people come into your home, the first thing the dog does is go sniff them in the inappropriate areas. Try to explain it to your friends. Try to explain it to your guests, but the dog's doing it as a good thing, not as a bad thing. I'm Warren Eckstein.